Herbie's there. You know them two pickups then, the silver one, blue one, and that black one. So you know them two. That's where we've looked, isn't it, down there, that bank? Yeah. Got that car. I'm sorry I'm a bit zoomed in, but I'm filming on my tablet because my phone died. Nice Chevy. Nice car there. Then I'm having to stand back here to get a good view. We've got Herbie from the film, of course. I'm a bit concerned it actually is Herbie because it's the same number plate. Dad knows that blue truck there. Dad, I wonder if that is Herbie because it's got the same number plate. Mustang, Chevy, a hearse thing, I don't know what it is. It's a Ghostbusters car actually. It's got it on the side. Yeah, Ghostbusters. I wonder if that's from the film Ghostbusters. Got this car here, a steam train being used as a grill type thing. Ford van. I'm actually standing miles away from it, but my dad knows this truck and that black one. Herbie again. Car here, really nice paint job. So you know them two cars. Got a truck there. Yeah, that's the one from that pub show, that silver one, isn't it? Where's the black one from then? Same show. Nice car here. Got a nice Kenworth lorry. Dodge Charger. Yeah, there's a truck the same as ours. Get a nice good views. I'll stand about a mile away, so I'm practically near the lorry now. It's the same as ours. It's for sale, Dad. Do you want to buy it? Look, it's for sale in the front window. Up there. Do you want to buy it? It's for sale. There's a Jeep there. So that truck's not for sale, I'm advertising another car. We've got a Chrysler, a nice yellow Mustang. I can't go back further. Next to the Jeep now. Mustang. Some cars. One of them snazzy paint jobs. Mustang car. The Grand Prix car. I don't know what this is. That's a car that made us go deaf earlier, I think. Yeah, it is the same car. Bicycle wheels on the front. That green car. Ford Mustang. We'll walk down this side and I'll film those sides. Grey truck. Mustang. Liz. Chevy. I don't know what that is. Dad, is that yellow car a Mustang? Dad, is that yellow one there a Mustang? So it's a Zephyr. So my dad used to have one of these yellow cars that everyone's interested in. That's a nice car.
Jump in it, what?
Car there at the bank. This old car here. It's one of them little ones with no roof, just a window. Just spoke to the lady who owns this car. Someone doesn't like paying their tax. Last paid it in September '74. Before here. This
Yeah, that's around our way, isn't it?
Yeah, this lives near us. Red line. It's everywhere. So we've seen this loads of times before. I don't know if that looks familiar. Jeep. I thought there was a guy in it then, look. It's the one from... It's the coyote thing from Roadrunner or something. Driving it. I like his air freshener with the flame. I just started up the NASCARs. Yeah, down there. Nice painted lorry there. So you've got a Rolls Royce there, minivan there, purple car here, Fiat, another Mustang. There's that purple Model B thing. We had a car the same as this, pretty much, but we sold it. Dad, is this the same as our yellow one? Is this the same as our yellow one?
Yeah.
Yeah, we used to have a yellow one like this. A minivan, I think it is, a Rolls Royce, and another Mustang. We're going downstairs now, there's some more. There's a little blue mini just there. Herbie number 2's down here. That's the second Herbie we've seen. Herbie. We've got the DMC from Back to the Future. Must be from the film. Herbie. Perhaps you should get a Beetle, Dad.
It's done nice.
Yeah, it is done nice. Side that. Mr. Bean's up there. Night Rider.
When your picture taken in front of the DeLorean.
Rather big engine for a Mustang. I should that. You could put an earth mover with that. We've got really cool custom lights here. Mr. Bean up there.
You know what I said?
We've got Night Rider here.